Hello bachcho, let's see the question. And the question says that a hospital dietitian wishes to find the cheapest combination of two foods, A and B, that contain at least 0.5 milligram of thiamine and at least 600 calories. Each unit of A contains 0.12 milligrams of thiamine and 100 calories. Okay, while each unit of B contains 0.10 milligram of thiamine and 150 calories. If each food costs 10 paise per unit, how many units of each should be combined at a minimum cost? Okay, so key concept is for optimal solution, optimal values. Optimal values means minimum or maximum values. Okay, we use we use method we use method LPP, that is linear programming problems. Okay, so this belongs to linear program problem. Here we have a two food A and B. Okay, so let's quantity of A food. Quantity of food A, let's say X, and quantity of food B is Y. So here we have each food cost is 10 पैसा per unit. ओके, सो आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? मिनिमम कॉस्ट फाइंड करना है. तो जेड मिनिमम कितना दे रहा है? 10 पैसा इस, तो रुपीज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो 0.10 एक्स प्लस 0.10 वाई, दैट इज मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करने हम इसकी. ठीक है, सो हियर वी हैव अ चीपेस्ट फूड, लेट्स से दैट इज फूड ए एंड दैट इज फूड बी. और फूड में क्या कंटेन है आपका? थाइमिन. और दूसरा क्या है आपके पास फूड में? दिस इज कैलोरीज काउंट कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो फूड ए में थाइमिन कितना है आपका? दैट इज 0.12 थाइमिन. फूड बी में थाइमिन कितना है आपका? 0.10. फूड ए में कैलोरीज कितनी है? 100 कैलोरीज. एंड फ्रीज कितनी है आपके पास? 150. ओके, सो फ्रॉम हेयर आपके पास क्या दे रखा है? मिनिमम रिक्वायर ऑफ ए थाइमिन कितना दे रखा है आपके पास? दैट इज greater than equal to. ओके, सो मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट कितना देर का है आपके पास? दैट इज थाइमिन का मिनिमम रिक्वायर है आपके पास 0.5. ओके, एंड कैलोरीज का कितना है मिनिमम पास? 600. सो आवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन विल 0.12x plus 0.1 to 0.5 milligram. Okay, that is your thiamine quantity. Next is you have 100 is greater than equal to 600, and that is your calorie requirement. Okay, because here you have given at least value दे रखा है. Okay, so at least में हम क्या करेंगे? greater than equal to. Now to solve this equation, and where x and y is greater than equal to 0, so solve these inequalities. We have to convert these inequality into the equations. So we have here our first equation will be 0.12x plus 0.10y is equal to 0.5. And here we have, that is, so we can write this equation 12x plus 10y is equal to, after multiply both side 10, so we have is equal to 50. And our second equation we have here, that is 100x plus 150y is equal to 600. So we can write this x plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now let's find out the value of x and y. Okay, so our graph will be our table of for x and y. Okay, so that is x, that is y. First we put x is equal to 0, then y is 5, and if we put y is equal to 0, then x will be 50 upon 12. Similarly for here, for equation number second, our table is, okay, if we put x and y value, if we put x is equal to 0, then y is 4, and if we put y is equal to 0, then x will be 6. Okay, so that is our table for the graph. This is a so basically this is the graph of given two equation. L1 is the first line graph, that is 12x plus 10y is greater than or equal to 50, and L2 is second line, and here we have greater than sign. तो क्या होगा आपका greater than होगा, किस साइड को होगा, that is opposite to origin. तो common part क्या होगा दोनों का, that will be common part. Okay, so common part will be you have here, that is कहाँ से corner point क्या मिलेंगे आपको common part के, A and B is the intersection point of line L1 and L2, and that is you have 15 upon 8 comma 15 upon 8 comma 11 upon 4. So that is the common part, intersection point of the line A and B. And third point you have here, that is 6 comma 0. Okay, so these three are point of corner point है आपके पास. So you have to find now you have to find the minimum value of this unbounded region. आपके पास क्या है ये unbounded region here you have. Okay, so now let's find out the corner point. Okay, so corner point पे आपको क्या करना है, minimum value find करना है, where z is equal to 0.1x plus 0.1y, 10 पैसा each for each food. Okay, so first we have here, that is our A point. Okay, so A corner point we have here, that is 1.875, that is intersection point 2.75. Okay, so इस पे आपका minimum value you have here 0.4625. Now next point you have here, that is B 6 comma 0, so Z 0.6, and next C you have 0.5, and that will be Z is 0.5. So minimum value attained at the intersection point. But when we have a unbounded region, जब भी हमारे पास unbounded region होता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, यहाँ पे minimum exact, ये हम इसको इजीली नहीं डिफाइन कर सकते कि ये मिनिमम वैल्यू है, क्योंकि अनबाउंडेड रीजन है. तो अनबाउंडेड रीजन में कॉर्नर पॉइंट्स के अलावा भी हमारे पास बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स ऐसे हो सकते हैं जिसमें मिनिमम वैल्यू अटेंड करता है. तो गिवन वैल्यू इज अ मिनिमम वैल्यू है, ये चेक करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, सो लेट 0.1x plus 0.1y is less than and equal to, आपके पास जो मिनिमम वैल्यू 0.4, we have to find this. So as it has no intersection with visible region, means अगर हम इसको ड्रॉ कर प्लॉट कर रहे हैं तो ये क्या है, कोई भी कॉमन पार्ट हमको गिवन नहीं कर रहा है. So we can say that Z attained minimum value 0.4625 at किस पे अटेन कर रहा है, that is at 1.875 comma 2.75. Okay, so that is the minimum point of the for the Z. So minimum value कितनी होगी, minimum value will be 0.4625. Okay, so I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.